Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make some simple veggie quesadillas. I'm going to use some vegetables that I found in my refrigerator. A lot of the vegetables that we're going to use are coming into season now, so check out your local farmer's market if you want some super fresh vegetables. I'm going to use a zucchini and a squash, a couple of bell peppers, and an onion. The first thing we're going to do is cut up the vegetables into bite-sized pieces. After we cut up those vegetables, we're going to take them to our saute pan. We're going to heat up some oil, and once that oil is hot, we're going to put our vegetables in. Once we stir our vegetables around with that oil, we're going to add our seasoning. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. I'm also going to put in a pinch of salt and pepper. If you prefer, or if you have them in your cabinets, you can use fajita or taco seasoning as well. I'll probably just use half the packet. The vegetables will take about 5 to 7 minutes to become fork tender. Once our vegetables are fork tender, I'm going to add in our frozen corn and our beans. Once everything is warm, we're going to put them in a bowl. We're going to put them to the side. I'm going to take a paper towel and I'm going to wipe out the bottom of my pan. I'm going to add in a little bit more oil. I like to use the soft taco flour tortilla size, but you're more than welcome to use any kind or size of tortillas that you like. I'm going to put it in the bottom of my pan. I'm going to add my vegetables and top it with some cheese. I'm going to fold my tortilla over so it makes it into like a half moon and let that get nice and golden brown. And once it's golden brown, I'm going to take my fork and to help me, I'm going to flip it over to the other side and let that side get nice and golden brown. Once it's golden brown on both sides, take it out of the pan. I put it on a cutting board. Sometimes I use a paper towel to get rid of some of the excess oil. I just cut it in half, and you can serve it with whatever your favorite toppings are. My favorite topping happens to be sour cream. You can also use the filling for nachos. My family loves nachos, so we'll just put some chips and the filling on top, then with cheese, and put it in the microwave for a couple of seconds. So if you're looking for a different kind of variety, you're more than welcome to use it for that. All right, we hope that you like these veggie quesadillas, and we hope that you're staying safe and well, and we hope to see you all soon. Hope you're doing well. Bye!